Okay students, now let us go to the torque, which is actually in class 11, but also I am giving this before I am going to the electric dipole in a uniform electric field. So what is torque? Torque is simply a rotational motion. Okay, so for an example, whenever you ride a bicycle, अगर आपको टर्निंग लेना है तो क्या करेंगे, इसको उधर ठेलेंगे और इसको इधर ले लेंगे, है ना, लाइक दिस, इक्वल एंड opposite force, and that equal and opposite force is making a couple, and because of that couple force then it is giving a turning effect. ठीक है ना, ये है आपका हैंडल. अगर आपको इसको घुमाना चाहे तो you have to do like, you have to push it here and this will come this side. ओके, इसको इधर ठेलो, इसको इधर ले लो, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, दो फोर्स के कारण से ये क्या हो जाएगा, a couple of force is creating a turning effect. For an example you have this. Okay, one force is going in this direction and another force is coming in this direction. Okay, and whenever it happens like this, okay, one is just like this, one force going upward direction and another force going downward direction, then what will happen, it will move like this, isn't it? Because one array, if these forces are like this, then it will not give any effect, because it is going downward in the same line, it is going in the upward in the same line, it will not move, this will not move, but the forces are acting at different line of action. Line of action is different, it is acting in this line and it is acting in this line downward, and this is upward and it will move like this. So this is my torque, couple of forces acting opposite to each other at different line of action. Okay, so this is force going upward, force going downward, action in different line. Okay, so it will move, it will give a rotation, it will give a turning effect because of the couple of force, and this is called my torque, and torque is equal to R, okay, force cross of distance. So what is this distance? This distance is the distance between, this is R. Okay, so this is equal to FR sine theta in magnitude. Why FR sine theta? Because you know A cross B is equal to AB sine of theta. Please remember then this distance R is perpendicular distance, okay, between F1 and F2. Okay, it has to be the perpendicular distance. Matlab, this is perpendicular with this one and this is also perpendicular with this one. So this is the perpendicular distance. Okay, it means that it is force into perpendicular distance and sine theta, or simply you can just write torque is equals to force into perpendicular distance. Okay, distance between forces. This is very important, please remember. This is torque is force into perpendicular distance between the forces. So what is the SI unit? Okay, then what is the SI unit? Okay, you have it force here, then for unit of force is Newton, and this is R, which is the measurement of distance, and this measurement of distance have got unit meter. So the SI unit of torque is Newton meter. Okay, so